Okay, here's a bad area of the sidewalk. It's next to this post which got destroyed over the years, and I rebuilt it. You can look back on videos on that. Took the whole thing right down to the base. Took it all apart, put it back together. This also was destroyed, and it's gotten worse. So I'm going to do something about it today. It's down probably 1.5 inches in the center, maybe 2 inches at the lowest point. It's pretty rough. I just swept it all out good. The two adjacent to them seem to be okay, and I think they're newer though. If you look at the concrete, they were poured at a different time. Or this was just poured as a different batch or something, I don't know. Either way, it hasn't held up. So I just swept it out really good, pulled some weeds out of it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn good. And I swept out, I got some areas here, and there's a crack over here I'm gonna fill in. Maybe I can sweep that one out a little bit better, we'll see. But either way, I'm gonna water it all down right now, and then I'm gonna go mix up my concrete and start. And I'm using Morter, really hard stuff. It should stick really good. I know it's more cost, but it's one bag, it should do it. Okay, let's water it down and mix it up.